paper towel or whatever around that in case it does manage to work its way back. We got those on, we got those on. We got one more here. This was the toughest one to reach by hand. So it's up on the dipstick here. Wow. It's right where you want to be. Let's get that magnet again. I don't want to drop this thing into the abyss. I am like terrible butterfingers with stuff. I will drop stuff all the time, and I feel like I spend a lot of time looking for crap. It's funny because someone next to me once named me Eagle Eye, I think, or Hawkeye or whatever. I think it was Eagle Eye. Because I was able to find things that he dropped pretty quickly. Like, I've been looking for him. Hey, help me find this. Bam, found it. It never happens with me, though. So it's not a real skill I obtain. 10 mil. Extensions. There we go. So close. I don't know how close this is being. There's my car. Come on. Just get them started. Let's go for speed. Back to speed method. Slow them down in a minute. Don't forget your connector here. Man, you are a jerk. Christ. And we got a couple more hoses to do. Kind of all over the place here. Usually I would just do everything that I need to in one, all the hoses at once. All this at once, but like I said, this isn't a terribly challenging thing. I'd say it could be, if you don't have the right tools, extensions and, stuff like that, could suck. If you're not used to kind of wrestling with some of the connections and stuff, the harness kind of things, that might be annoying to you. But if anything is in your way, you don't like how I did this, and you're free to do it your way. You could take more stuff out of the way if that makes more sense to you or works better. There's spec. This one here. And the last one. Let's see how this one feels again. Oh, yeah, we're good. We're in. All right, pop on the rest of your hoses. This hose is really hard. Eesh. That should be replaced at some point, I think. It's super stiff. But again, we know there are no leaks yet because of data. That's on, that's on, that's on. That, we're missing a connector and 2 more bolts, actually. Uh-oh. Where is it? It's hiding. Cripes. It's under there somewhere. Where is it? We need this, I feel like it's, didn't make it out of here. Nope, didn't. Uh-oh. We'll get it. Nothing's gonna stop us here at this point. Is this it? Maybe this isn't even it. Pretty sure it is. Right. That's that. That's that. I'm pretty sure it's trapped under there. Stop. Come on. Kidding me? Yep. Pull on it and I see it. We'll get it. I'm not taking that thing back off for this. There we go. Aha. Creep. Routed it like this. Goes in this little hole here. Whoop. Plug it in. Put your air box back on here. Make sure these are on right. This is one of the things we talked about, that P101. It's not on right. It might not work quite. Make sure it's like seated in the back there. That's the key here. I'm struggling a little with having all that stuff connected. What the heck is going on back there? Who thought this was going to be the hardest part? Getting this stupid thing back in. There. Alright, just lost a couple of those. That's it. Alright. Battery, what do we got? Everything else? Oh yeah, these two. We still gotta do those. Getting ahead here. Battery's running low on the camera. Getting nervous. Might lose you. Ideally, I should have snugged these down. So put all the bolts in and don't tighten them all until you have them all in decently. In case something's not lined up right. They are, it's fine. If they go in by hand, they're fine. But otherwise you may have to back up and repeat some work. Never fun. I think this is it though. I don't see anything else. So we'll snug